This video will show you how to cancel the staff cards for the Opendoor door locking system. You will need with you your authorization card, report loss card and blank key cards or wristbands to reissue staff cards. Firstly, log into the software. Click on Hotel Layout Setting and choose System Parameter. Change the default compensation time to 0 and click Save. Reopen the software and click on System Maintenance, then Card Replacement. Choose the type of card you'd like to replace. You can then choose the date and time you'd like this to commence from. Any cards cut before this date and time will no longer work once this is complete. For ease, choose today's date and pick the current time. Click Issue and Save. Now, cut all new staff cards needed, making sure each card is assigned to the correct name. To note, you can cut the new staff cards on the staff member's current card or wristband. Next, at a lock, present your authorization card followed by report loss card. Now, test with an old staff card to check that they in fact no longer work. Then, test that the lock now works with a new staff card cut just now. This process now needs to be carried out at every lock on your site. Please note, this process will need to be carried out multiple times if there's more than one type of card that you need to cancel. For example, MasterCard, Building Card, and Floor Card. Once you have completed this at every lock, go back into the software and on System Parameter, change the default compensation time back to 120 minutes.